Good afternoon, Mason. Let's hear about your trip around the Big Island today.
Oh, well.
The first place we stopped was the falls. Tell us about the falls.
Well, they were nice. You know, we ate some food. I tried some spread. The falls were very beautiful, okay? It was beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I've never actually been that close to a waterfall before.
Mm-hmm.
Now I got the information now from the Hawaii, the Big Island book.
Okay.
Only $5.99 at stores.
What did we do after we went to the falls?
Oh, we went to Hilo.
No.
Wait, no.
We stopped and had ICE.
Oh yeah, we had some ice cream.
Yeah.
Mm.
What flavor did you have?
I had banana storm and it was good.
Okay.